How to turn on or turn off location history on Google Maps. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable Google Maps history very easy and fast. First thing, go to the app. This is the home page as you can see right here. Now go to the top corner, click on your profile picture, click on it like this. Now click on your profile and click on edit profile. Click on profile and privacy settings. Now on this page you will find many options. Search for location history and right here you will find it. You can enable it or disable it just from here. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you later.